Without off-road lights, drivers face poor visibility in dark, rugged terrains, increasing the risk of accidents, vehicle damage, or getting lost. Standard headlights aren't built for extreme conditions. Off-road lights provide powerful, wide illumination, ensuring safety, confidence, and control, making them essential for nighttime adventures or emergency off-road travel. There are many types of off-road lights with unique features and prices. I researched thoroughly to find the best off-road lights that offer great value. If you want details like price and specs, check the description. Let's get started. The top 5 best off-road lights review. Watch the video patiently. Number 5. Nilight ZH408 52-inch 783W curved. Illuminate the road ahead with a Nilight ZH408 52-inch 783W curved triple row LED light bar, designed for extreme performance and durability. This powerhouse delivers super brightness with a combo beam that features triple row LEDs and a Nest reflector cup design, maximizing light efficiency for unmatched visibility during nighttime driving or off-road adventures. The upgraded reflector cup enhances ambient illumination with a broad reflective plate on both sides, allowing light to refract at multiple angles for a wider, brighter field of view. Its curved design not only provides a sleek and aggressive look, but also fits perfectly on most vehicles, from trucks to ATVs, offering both style and function. Built to endure the toughest conditions, this light bar boasts high-performance features including an IP67 waterproof rating, die-cast aluminum housing, efficient cooling, and a 30,000+ hour lifespan, making it ideal for all-weather use. The included 12 AWG heavy-duty wiring harness kit features high-quality materials with inline blade fuses, a 5-pin rocker switch, and a relay for safe, reliable operation. Designed for high-temperature resistance and flexibility, the wiring ensures long-term durability. Backed by a 2-year Nilight warranty, this kit is ready to power your next journey. Number 4. TrueMod 7-inch round LED headlight. Upgrade your ride and dare to stand out with a TrueMod 7-inch round LED headlight. Engineered with a cutting-edge fisheye center optic lens and a stunning halo DRL pattern, these lights create a mesmerizing, cosmic-like visual effect that transforms any vehicle's look into something truly unique. Designed for both style and safety, these headlights feature amber turn signals that extend the layered lighting effect across both left and right sides, creating a bold, eye-catching turn signal pattern that demands attention. With DOT and SAE approval, DOT-EV or HLP, they deliver powerful illumination while maintaining street legality. The precise Z cutoff beam ensures your high and low beams light up the road without blinding oncoming drivers. The ignition startup sequence adds even more flair, delivering an elegant LED animation when you fire up your classic car, truck, or van, guaranteed to turn heads at every start. Installation is hassle-free with the included plug-and-play ACC ignition harness kit, complete with a fused adapter, compatible with a wide range of vehicles, from Jeep Wranglers and Hummers to classic Fords, Chevys, Land Rovers, and Mazdas. This H6024 sealed beam headlight kit is built to impress and ready to shine. Number 3. Auxbeam 5 inches V Ultra Series 172W LED light pods. Illuminate every angle of your off-road adventures with the Auxbeam 5-inch V Ultra Series 172W LED light pods. Engineered with industry-leading P8 LED chips, these lights deliver an impressive 20400 LM brightness, offering a 400% boost in luminous flux for unmatched visual clarity and road safety. The high-efficiency reflective cup design focuses the beam, eliminating blind spots and maximizing forward visibility. Designed for superior driving vision, these pods feature an innovative side shooter design with a 270 degrees wide-angle beam, combining intense white hyper spotlight with dual-side illumination to give you broader and farther coverage than traditional LED lights. Versatile and cost-effective, they offer 3 lighting modes: a crisp 6500K white light, a vibrant 3000K amber DRL, or a mix of both. Perfect for use as daytime running lights, warning signals, or turn indicators. Each light includes black protective covers for added style and road compliance. Built tough with an IP68 waterproof rating and heavy-duty 6063 aluminum housing, these lights are sealed tight against rain, dust, and mud. With advanced cooling, a 50,000+ hour lifespan, and Auxbeam's 2-year warranty, you get reliable performance and peace of mind, day or night, rain or shine. Number 2. Rigid Industries 262214D Spot. Experience unmatched visibility in the harshest environments with a Rigid Industries 262214 DSS Spot with Amber Pro Lens Pair. This lighting kit pairs Rigid's highly versatile DSS Pro spotlights with their advanced Amber Pro lens, engineered specifically for performance in low visibility conditions like dust, smoke, fog, and heavy rain. Each set includes 2 DSS Pro lights, surface mount brackets, a wiring harness with switch, and all necessary hardware. Everything you need for a reliable, professional-grade install. The powerful LED output operates across 9 to 36 VDC and delivers over 50,000 hours of lifespan, backed by Rigid's limited lifetime warranty. The Amber Pro Edition represents Rigid's unwavering dedication to the off-road community, delivering the next-level performance demanded by serious enthusiasts and professional racers alike. Whether you're navigating rugged trails or racing through Baja dust clouds, these lights cut through obscured environments with precision and clarity. Proudly designed, engineered, and assembled in the USA, Rigid remains the top innovator in high-performance LED lighting solutions for Jeep, UTV, rail vehicles, and more. With a deep understanding of real-world needs, Rigid delivers customizable, durable lighting systems that ensure your adventures don't stop when the sun goes down. Number 1. KC Highlights 9130 Gravity Pro 6 LED Light Bar. The KC Highlights 91308 Gravity Pro 6 LED Light Bar 50-inch combo system is a cutting-edge lighting solution designed to take your off-road adventures to the next level. Powered by Gravity LED G6 optical inserts, this light bar offers efficient, powerful, and patented technology, providing superior visibility for both short and long-range illumination. With customizable G6 LED optics in spot, driving, and wide 40 beam patterns, this light bar ensures you have the right light coverage for any situation. The 50-inch combo system produces an impressive 19,616 raw lumens, ensuring powerful, clear, and consistent lighting even in the darkest environments. Whether navigating through rugged trails or blazing new paths, the Pro 6 ensures you have the visibility you need. Designed for efficiency, the Pro 6 draws only 8.3, 13.3A, making it easy on your vehicle's electrical system while delivering high output. Its IP68 rating means it is fully protected against dust, dirt, and water, ensuring durability in the harshest off-road conditions. KC's Pro 6 LED light bar is modular and configurable, offering a flexible solution that evolves with your lighting needs. This universal system is engineered for the most demanding off-road enthusiasts, delivering unmatched performance, durability, and style. Thanks for watching this video.